If you're seeing a OneDrive error 400, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get OneDrive working again as quickly as possible. This error usually happens when OneDrive gets an invalid request from the browser, and that can be caused by corrupted cache, cookies, an expired sign-in session, or even a bad link. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. All right, let's start with the simplest fix first. Open the OneDrive tab where you're seeing the error and try a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. This forces the browser to reload the page completely instead of using stored data. Wait a few seconds while everything refreshes, and then check whether OneDrive loads normally. In many cases, a hard refresh is enough to clear a temporary glitch and remove the error immediately. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is opening OneDrive in a private or Incognito window. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open a private window. Then go back to OneDrive, sign in again, and see if the issue still appears. Private mode helps you test whether the problem is coming from your saved browser session, cookies, or extensions. If OneDrive works in Incognito but not in your regular browser, that's a strong sign that the issue is browser-related. Now, let's move on to clearing browser data, which is one of the most reliable fixes for OneDrive error 400. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to All Time, so you remove everything that could be causing the conflict. Make sure to check cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. These are the most common causes of corrupted session problems. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete Data and give the browser a moment to finish. After that, close and reopen OneDrive, then sign in again and check if the error is gone. If the problem still continues, try a different browser. Sometimes OneDrive will work fine in Microsoft Edge or Firefox, even if it fails in Chrome. Open another browser, visit OneDrive, sign into your account, and test the page again. This step is useful because it helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to one specific browser or something broader with the account or link. If OneDrive loads properly in the second browser, then you know the browser you were using earlier probably needs a cache or settings cleanup. Another very important thing to check is the link itself. If you opened OneDrive from a shared link, copied file, or invitation, the link may be incomplete, expired, or broken. Copy the OneDrive link and paste it into a fresh browser tab. Make sure it looks complete and hasn't been cut off. If someone else shared the link with you, ask them to send a new one and try again. A bad or expired link can easily trigger a 400 error because OneDrive is receiving a request it can't process correctly. So to recap, the best fixes for OneDrive error 400 are hard refresh the page, open OneDrive in a private window, clear browser data, try a different browser, and verify the link is correct. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix OneDrive error 400, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, easy fixes, and step-by-step guides. And if you still have trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.